Hey guys, so we're just getting ready to head out to run some errands, go to the grocery store. I have some things that I need to pick up for the house. Also gotta go to Target because my blender that I use for my smoothies went out on me. So I did like a drive up order for Target, so I gotta go pick that stuff up as well. But I just wanted to come on and do a little OOTD for you guys. Today is Sunday. It is like 60 degrees outside, so I'm just wearing that little set that I shared with you all in my loungewear little haul that I did for you all this week. My little slippers. These are from Target, like 1 or 2 years ago, I think. A lot of us have them. But yeah, they're from Target, and I don't think they have them anymore, but I did find Sam Edelman kind of like dupe that's super cute too, so I'll link that for you guys. I did also link that in that video as well. And my little Teddy Blake bag. I'm just loving this bag, y'all, so much. I just love it. Also received a package from Roses Forever that I'm going to insert here for you all. I will leave all the information below, but they sent me another beautiful rose bouquet. Absolutely stunning. Check them out. I do also have a coupon code for you guys if you want to place an order, but they have the most beautiful roses ever. They last for 1 full year. Definitely check them out if you want to add a little, you know, bouquet to your coffee table decor. Again, the best part about these roses is that they last a whole year. Just wanted to come on and share that with you guys in case you want to, you know, treat yourself to some beautiful roses. Let's go run our errands, and then I will probably share everything with you guys once I get back to the house. Okay? All right. What's my hair doing? Goodness. Crazy. Crazy hair. All right, guys. All right, guys, so I just wanted to come on and share with you all the NutriBullet that I picked up yesterday because I am about to make a smoothie for lunch, and I forgot to share it with you guys. So this is the one I got. It's the 600 watts, and yeah, hopefully I like it. Had really good reviews. I know a lot of people have the NutriBullet. I actually had a NutriBullet for Sefton when he was a baby. It's what I used to make his baby food in, and I actually still have it. But yeah, so I'm gonna give this a try. Also, I forgot I added this to the cart too for my pickup order, but it's this little gray leopard loungewear set from Target as well. You guys know, if you saw my last video, that I am all things cozy sets. So I got that. This was my little Target pickup. And then I also wanted to show you a comparison of the rose bouquets that I have from Rose Forever. So this is the newest one that I received with the fuchsia rose bouquet. And then this is the white one that I got like, what, 2 months ago, I think. So as you can see, this is considered the medium and this is the large, and it is massive. Like, I think I'm just gonna put that one in my room, to be honest, because it's just so big for this table. But I just wanted to show you guys for comparison. There's the size comparison. And also, this is my homebody book. I took the cover off because I just like it better with the gray and gold. And I was looking through it, and yeah, she's got some really nice inspirational pics in here. And I was just looking at the bedroom stuff. It's so funny because a lot of this like resembles my bedroom. Like how I have my snake plant on my dresser. Also, a little bit about the Rose Forever. Like I said, they last a whole year, and they use like a natural oil to kind of preserve the roses. They are also based in New York City, but I'll leave all their information below if you guys want to, you know, research them and check them out. Again, these are great gifts for anyone special in your life, even if you want to get it for yourself. It's just something nice just to have, you know, in your home. So yeah, but I just wanted to share this with you all. Alright guys, so just got back to the house, and I had went to my P.O. box because I had a package there. I'm working with a brand on some stuff that I need to review for them, and so that's what I was going in to pick up. And then I had a surprise package from Only One Nicole, and I thought I would open it here with you guys because that was special. So she put a card in here. Thank you so much. That's what the card says. She put her business card in here. I'll leave her information below. Fragrance obsessed person. See the one wearing this shirt. Oh, that's so sweet. How cute is that? That is so cute. Thank you. Aw. I am a frag-head. That's cute. Thank you, Nicole. Like, I love y'all for just loving me, you know. I'm literally just a regular girl from Ohio who comes from humble beginnings and literally fell into this YouTube thing all over a dare. And it's something that over the years I have just grown to love, and I'm so passionate about it. And every day is a new day for me to share with you all and just interact with you guys and chat. A lot of you I chat with offline, and yeah, so just thank you all so much. I just want you to know that I am so appreciative for everything. And you guys don't know it, but YouTube has really been a good outlet for me as someone who is extreme introvert, a very shy person. As some of you may know, I grew up an only child. I do have younger siblings, but they're all much younger than me. So for the most part of my life, I grew up as an only child, and so I've just always been a loner, and I've always just stayed to myself. And so YouTube is definitely something that I use as a way for me to kind of interact with people without interacting with people. And it just works for me. I love it, and I don't see myself stopping anytime soon. I can see myself years and years and years from now still doing YouTube and still interacting with you guys, because it's just something that I'm really passionate about, and I just love what I do. So thank you. I just want you guys to know, I know I have a lot of new subscribers here, so thank you all. Welcome to my little humble community here. I feel like we all have so much in common. We have so many of the same interests. I just want you guys to know that I appreciate you all so much, and I mean that from the bottom of my heart. You guys really don't even know how much you help me get through some difficult days. You know, every day is not a good day for me. I do have some days that I'm a little bummed, but I wake up every day with a good attitude, and I just motivate myself to keep going. And you guys really help me, and I don't think you all know that you really do help me. You say that I help you and I inspire you guys and I motivate you, but you guys really inspire me every day when I wake up and I check my messages, and I'm seeing all the sweet kind words that you guys are saying to me. Even the comments that I get that are not so sweet and not so kind, but I look at those comments as like constructive criticism. So yeah, I just want to say thank you to my new subscribers, thank you to my OG subscribers. This little channel is just growing growing, and I'm just so proud. So thank you, Nicole. I appreciate it so much. Hey guys, happy Tuesday. So I was just getting ready to make my afternoon iced coffee, and just thought I would come on and share it with you all, since I have been doing something a little bit different using my Teamy Greens superfood blend. So what I've basically been doing is I've been brewing my iced coffee. So you guys know I do half and half with almond milk, and then an almond creamer just to sweeten it up. And then I've been adding a scoop of the greens superfood blend, and it has been so good. Now, if you try this, if you're someone who doesn't like the earthy taste, I would say only do half a scoop. But if you don't mind that earthy taste in your coffee, then just do a full scoop. But it's so good. Alright guys, so I just whipped up a fall salad is what I'm calling it, but I just have some mixed greens, some turkey lunch meat that I got from the grocery store that I just had in the fridge, diced hard-boiled egg, cucumber, sweet potatoes, and tomato. So this is my fall salad because today is the first day of fall. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, just list them below, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.